So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you the apps which I use as a content creator, the apps I use to edit my pictures, and the apps I use to edit my video, and also thumbnails, everything, all the apps I use to legit create content. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys in this video. So let's just jump right into the video right now. Okay, so the first app that I'm using is the Facetune app. Now with this app, guys, if you notice, now let's look at this picture. With this picture, the only thing that has changed is my background. Like, your background can legit transform your videos. I didn't do much editing on my face. I just edited the background, and I also edited the lighting, and then one or two touches for the makeup and all of that. So I would show you guys this tutorial in an upcoming video, because I really want this video to be short and I don't want to digress, but I'll be letting you guys in on how I edit in subsequent videos. Alright, so with this app you can edit your background, you can smoothen out your skin, and also let me give you guys a tip so that you can take something out of this video before I drop the main video. Now, what you want to do if you are trying to create high quality images, like which I think you want to do or you should do, so what you want to do is to increase the sharpness, not so much, just increase it just a little bit to about 10, 15, or anyone that works with you depending on your style. So what I like to do is to just edit it so that if Instagram is to drop the quality of your pictures, then you can just still have high quality pictures because it is clear. Like, sharpness legit makes your video pictures clear. So that is what you want to do. So that's a tip, so that way you don't just leave this video without learning something. So download that and play around with it and apply this tip. Adjust the brightness, you can even add glow. You can add glow to your skin, and you can legit, this is, a lot of people think that Facetune has to do with just the face. Guys, you can legit use Facetune for a full picture and edit everything about the picture. The background, you can add colors, you can make colors pop. Guys, I can't wait to share this video with you guys, but let me just, I have a lot of things to talk about in this video, so you might want to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss it, and also click that notification bell so that you don't miss any upload from me. So yeah, now the next thing I want to talk about is Beauty Plus. Now I feel like a lot of people don't know about Beauty Plus. It is a very, very good app, guys. You need this app, especially if you are a beauty content creator. One thing I like about this, you can adjust the tone. Like, if you are dark skin just like me, I like to edit my pictures so that they look really dark and rich, rich. So this is what this feature does. It has contour, you can adjust brightness as well, you can adjust clarity, you can, like, guys, there's a lot you can do with this app. You can brighten your eyes, you can remove dark circles. Guys, come on now. See, as I'm mentioning all these things, you're just like, all these things in one app. So all these things you can get in this app. Okay, so it's something that I would recommend because I've been using it since I started my journey as a makeup artist and all of that. So Facetune, Beauty Plus, these two things are the things that you need for picture content, makeup, whatever content it is, full pictures, whatever it is. Facetune and Beauty Plus. So now the next app I want to talk about is Canva. Guys, Canva is so beginner friendly, so beginner friendly. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do my thumbnails using Canva, then let me know in the comment section. But then Canva is legit a beginner friendly app. Like, it's so easy to use. It is free. You can download it from App Store. However, there are some in-app purchases if you want to like upgrade just a little bit. There are in-app purchases, but I don't pay, so like I get what I want from the free version. You get, so it's something that you might want to look into if you're a content creator. Now they have different text, they have different templates. If you are a content creator and you have to do with a lot of text and you write words on pictures, this is the app for you. This is the app for you. It's so versatile, so many things you can do with this app that I feel like if you don't have this app, you're missing out. So you need to download the Canva app. It would help you with thumbnails, it would help you with Instagram posts, it would help you with Instagram story. I use this app to do my YouTube intro, and I use it to do my YouTube thumbnails. So I mean, it's versatile. You can use it to do literally anything, okay? And it's beginner friendly, easy to use, simple to use. So it's something that you might want to look into, okay? You can also use it to create your media kit, your rate cards, invitations, flyers, posters, anything you want. Canva is the app for you. Okay, so that is it about Canva. Another app which I use is Magic Eraser. Now this is a very simple app to use. Like, you can just tap on something and that's it. You've removed the background. You have a PNG image just like that. Like, it's just one step or maybe two steps, but like that's it. It's so easy. So I use this in my thumbnails. For example, in this thumbnail where I had my iPhone in the picture, in the thumbnail. So what I did was to just get a picture from Google that had a white background, because sometimes you see a picture that they say is a PNG format and then you open it and it's not PNG. So I just downloaded a picture with a white background and just use this app to legit erase the background and use it in my thumbnail. So that is something, if like, you can just legit take this from here, put it here, and you're good to go. Like, change backgrounds, switch backgrounds. That is what the Magic Eraser does for you. So that is it about the Magic Eraser, guys. Like, if it's strictly for, I feel like this is strictly for thumbnails, or also some Instagram posts, content creators that have to do with, you know, putting out picture content and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, so now another app is the Onom. I'm not sure if this is how to pronounce it, but Onom is an app that helps you to plan your Instagram feed, so that way you see how it's going to appear on your Instagram feed before you actually post it. So that way, if it's not, like, if you have a color theme and what you want to post is out of it, then you can legit just save that post for a while, post something else that would fit into that color theme. If you are someone who wants to you're looking for a way to make your Instagram feed more pleasing to look at, then this is the app that you should go for. Now, I just recently started using this app, so it's very beginner friendly. Like, just 1, 2, 3, like, you're just moving pictures around to see how they fit in that Instagram grid. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, it's very easy to use. Okay, so guys, let me just show you something about this analytics tab right here. So it can help you to also analyze your Instagram page, but it shows your followers, how much you've gained in the past week, in the past month. It shows you your best post. So the top post that has more likes, it shows you the best times to post. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I post somewhere between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. because that is when I get like more likes from on my page. So yeah, it shows you the best hashtags to use. And yeah, so this is just the analytics part of the app. So you might want to just check it out and see how it works for you. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking about this app. What do you use to edit your videos? This is the app. So I use the Enlight Video Leap app. It is, oh god, this app is so versatile, guys. I can't even begin to explain. I want to do a detailed video just dedicated to editing with this app, because it's going to take a long time and this video is already getting long. So yeah, so basically what this app does is very, I don't know, is it beginner friendly? If you're looking for a basic video, it's beginner friendly, but if you're looking for videos that are eye-catching and you want to put a lot of effects and everything, then you have to really sit down and study this app. But it is easy to learn, it is easy to understand. You have different layers. You can add pictures, you can add music, you can add sound effects, you can do chroma keying. This app, one thing I love about this app is that you can zoom in and zoom out. You can do effects, but the effects are not inbuilt. I love how I play around with it. I learn new things about this app every day, because as far as I'm with my phone, I'm just playing around with apps, editing apps, pictures, videos, everything. So yeah, this app is very versatile. You can create bomb video content with it, and this is what I use. So you have a lot of effects, you have lens flare, you have prism, you have a lot of other things. You can add text. However, the text on this app is limited. You have audio, you have voiceover, you have different filters, but I barely use filters. I never use filters. This app, just get this app, and they have a tutorial that would guide you on how to actually go around the app. So this is the app that I use to typically edit all my videos. So, and I hope I've answered your question right now. So that is it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section if this video helped you. Let me know if you have any questions that I will be able to address, and I always reply my comments, guys. So please let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.